Hi everyone, my name is Costa and today we are going to explore one of the newest Framer updates, which is called Workshop. So basically now you can wipe code inside Framer, which means you can create code components without leaving Framer and it's totally free. So if you click on this icon right here, you will find this plugin called Workshop. In the top right corners, you can choose between Cloud 3.7, Cloud 3.5 and GPT 4.1. So let's select the most creative one, which is Cloud 3.7. And now let me type in the component that I want to create, currency converter component. And voila guys, so it took about 30 seconds to build it. Now it's updating and we have an error right here, but it looks very nice. And on the right side, you can change the amount, the currency if you want to, and also the UI. So let's bring it inside and let's preview it to see how it looks like. So as an user, I cannot type the amount of money I would like to. Therefore, let's change that. So double click on the component and now let's update it. Alright, so now I can type in the amount I would like to. So 500. I'm not sure if that's correct because I see that it's failed to fetch exchange rates. So I guess it's a problem with the API. So maybe it's not the best component that I should have created. But let's see if it works if I click on swap. Yeah, this one doesn't work yet. So let's try to improve it even more. Alright, and now we have a live exchange rate, so that is very good actually. Okay, the button still doesn't work, but at least we have a live exchange, which is amazing. Let's type in 700 and this looks very beautiful guys. So I'm not gonna try to improve it even more. I think that it's enough for you to understand how it works. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about this plugin and I see you next time.